Welcome to this video from the Bad Back Gardener. Today we're going to be covering container gardening. I'm getting ready to prep for some of the baskets that I do for the garden, and also some of the pots here. I got some flowers here and I got my containers all gathered up here. I'll show you that. I'll show you a couple of the pots that maybe I've already done, but I'm not going to show you the process of me putting everything together. That's going to be a long, drawn-out process, so I don't try and save you from having to watch all that. But I'll show you the before and after here of all my stuff. I got quite an array of flowers here to show you, so we'll get started with that. Okay, so this is some compost I have, and that's what I'm going to be adding to the potting soil that I buy. It's nice and fluffy, crumbly compost. I like to put that in to help out. And so here is my kind of array of flowers that I will be potting up in different pots. I got a little bit of everything in here, some vinca, some Gerber daisies, some impatiens, and quite a few things. I got some trailing potato vines and some other vines, Dusty Miller, and I actually even got some tropical plants. I got a banana over there and some other stuff. So we'll get these pots all put together here. These two pots here I've already potted up. These are the elephant ears, in case you didn't catch the video on that. You can look for that video. And then these are my Dracaena that made it through the winter. So they're in the pots. This one probably won't get anything put in with it, but this one over here I'll probably put some flowers around the base here. And then I got my other pots here all laid out here. I got a couple new ones here to plant this year. So I'm going to be putting that together here. These are my hanging baskets. I like the core hanging baskets with the black metal baskets. I use that in the front and the back yards here. Now if you'll notice what I've done, I've cut some plastic out, and I use that because I just don't like how fast they dry up, and so save you from watering every day. I like to at least have a day in between the watering if I can help it. So to try and do that, I've cut a circle piece of plastic out, and that'll hold some of the water in the bottom. Now if it gets too full water, like if it rains too much, it'll come up so far up the basket and then run out the side, so it will never get like completely full water, but it just goes about halfway up. Now I actually sell them that way now. You can buy, if you look in some of the magazines and stuff, they sell the liners now that you can buy, that they actually line the inside of them with plastic to hold the water a little bit better, so they don't drain out so fast. But this is kind of my own version of that, and we'll see how it works out this year. This is the first year I did that, so I'm going to try that to kind of help me not to water so much. So then over here I potted up a couple of pots already. This is I believe Porticalia is what they call it. I'm probably not pronouncing that right, but it's pretty close to the proper pronunciation there. I got two baskets, one over there and one over there, potted up for that. I am going to be using a couple different kinds of potting soil. The one is, and I'm going to use it more in baskets, is the Miracle-Gro water saving, because it probably has water crystals in it. And then I usually already add TerraSorb water crystals that help reserve the water in the pots so they don't dry out so fast during the hot weather. And I always use that as well in my potting soil. So I will show you some pictures of what they all look like here when we're done, and we'll get to see what those look like for this year. So that's going to do it for this video from the Bad Back Gardener. Catch up with me on Facebook. You can also email me at bbgardner@zoominternet.net. And as always, if your back ain't hurting, you ain't working.